In other health news, the confusion over the cyclospora outbreak continues today as investigators are still searching for the source of the spread. After singling out Taylor Farms in Salinas, California for supplying some of the contaminated lettuce from a farm in Mexico, the FDA retracted that allegation, saying its test of that lettuce produced a false positive. Robert Handa from NBC Bay Area has more on the unusual flip-flop and whether Taylor Farms is in the clear yet.
The FDA said publicly that Taylor Farms remains a focus of its investigation into the cyclospora outbreak. That comes after the agency admitted this weekend recent tests that showed the parasite in the lettuce from a Taylor Farms supplier in Mexico turned out to be a false positive. Taylor Farms issued a statement over the weekend saying the FDA acknowledged the false positive, but the company would continue its voluntary recall anyway. Taylor Farms became the focus after numerous people got sick from Taco Bells in the Midwest, which got its lettuce from Taylor Farms. People in Salinas we talked to said they believe the false positive shows Taylor Farms is not responsible.
I think the FDA should have apologized sooner. As soon as they found out, they should have. And I don't know if that was as quick as was possible or not. But no, I'm not concerned.
The head of the Monterey County Farm Bureau points out this one false positive is not the whole story, since cyclospora is extremely difficult to detect through testing. But he says it shows the test that linked Taylor Farms initially was not as conclusive as it appeared from the FDA's first announcement.
I think it does admit that Taylor Farms does not have any fault in this particular adulteration episode.
Did the FDA move too quickly to announce it in the first place?
Well, we're not sure how that got out there in the first place, so I think it's a little bit of understanding how FDA may have released this information too early, and I think there'll be probably some discussion and investigation about that.